This is State of the Euro. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to go over just two charts today, the weekly of the S&P and the monthly. The first chart is the weekly of the S&P with the RSI. I've been pointing out in previous posts. Again, look at that 71.88 right now, the RSI. I told you guys, once it passes 72, 73, it could go straight toward 2,500. It looks like it's going to go through 72 this week and early next week, and most likely will hit 2,500. I think this will be the top, as long as you go back to the monthly RSI and see that the monthly RSI has not gone over 78. If in August 1st, the RSI for the monthly opens over 78, it could be a problem where the S&P could go further above 2,500. So watch that. I believe that 2,500 will be the top for the S&P. This is the same weekly chart, but I pointed out back in February, the week of February 27th, the RSI for the weekly was about 76.03. So if the RSI for this week and next week goes over 73, 72, then most likely you'll hit a very strong ceiling at 76. And at 75, 76 weekly, you'll have the S&P at 2,500. So watch that, and that should be a great point, a very low risk for you guys to short it. I know it's hard to short in a bull market, and this is a bull market, don't get me wrong, but we have to watch, okay? The next chart is going to be the monthly that I've been watching all the time. The monthly is very important because it's going to hit the Bollinger. The Bollinger on the monthly on top is 25.12, so it's coming up right now. Here it should come right now. This is the monthly for the S&P 500 with the RSI. Now, I know I'm covering the RSI a lot, but I think it's a very important indicator also. It's a technical indicator. There's other indicators you could use, but I use all of them together, but I'm pointing this out right now. And you could see it's trading at 76.71 for the RSI. The Bollinger is at 25.12, 25.15. I won't think it get that high on the Bollinger, but you could short it at 2,500 and leave a stop loss at least at 25.20. We're coming towards the end of the month. We're coming towards August, September, October. They're relatively weak months coming in, so be careful. Shorting is better than buying right now, I believe. Okay, there should be a trading range coming up also, like similar to that trading range you see that I circled down back in 2015. We might be trading between 2,500 and 2,350 for the next 3 or 4 months coming into the end of the year and next year. So watch that. Again, watch the 78 level by the close at the end of the month. If it goes through 78, you could get through 80 for next month, and it could go higher to 2,550 or 2,600. So be careful. But I think it's a relatively low risk trade to short it at 2,500, 2,490, depending. And again, don't put all your money shorting one shot. Break up your money in 10% or 20% increments and 25 times. So if you're gonna short at 24.90, 2,500, 25.10, and then average it. So that's the best way to do it. Thank you for listening to my post. Thank you for listening to my video, looking at my video. Subscribe, like it. Thank you. God bless you guys. Appreciate all your help, all your comments. Thanks. Bye-bye.